Good morning. The sun was already high in the sky as our caravan prepared to depart from the city of Babylon. The heat of the Mesopotamian sun beat down upon us, and the air was thick with the scent of dust and spices. I stood among my companions, feeling the weight of the responsibility that came with this mission. Tasked by Alexander the Great himself, my purpose was to bridge the intellectual chasm between the Greeks and the Persians, to foster dialogue and understanding with the learned scholars of this vast and ancient empire. The journey through Persia was both a physical and intellectual odyssey. As we traveled, the landscape transformed from the arid plains of Mesopotamia to the fertile valleys and lush gardens of Persian cities. Each new site was a testament to the grandeur of a culture that had long flourished beyond our Greek borders. The contrast between the dust-laden roads and the opulent cities we visited was striking. Each city had its own unique rhythm, a symphony of sounds from bustling markets to the melodic chants of Persian scholars debating in grand halls. Upon arriving in the Persian capital of Persepolis, we were greeted by a blend of curiosity and reverence. The palace, with its towering columns and intricately carved reliefs, was a marvel of architecture. The air was filled with the murmur of courtiers and scholars alike, eager to witness this historic meeting. I was struck by the rich, vibrant colors of Persian tapestries and the exotic fragrances wafting from the royal gardens, a stark contrast to the more austere and monochromatic surroundings of Athens. My meetings with Persian scholars were a profound revelation. Their intellectual tradition, deeply rooted in the ancient Zoroastrian texts and the philosophies of their predecessors, provided a new perspective on ethics and governance. Our dialogues often took place in serene gardens or under the shade of ancient trees, the environment as conducive to thoughtful exchange as the conversations themselves. I was particularly impressed by their sophisticated approach to natural sciences and astronomy, fields where our Greek understanding was still developing. The exchange was not without its challenges. The Persian perspective on ethics and politics often diverged sharply from our own. While we Greeks valued democracy and the rational pursuit of virtue, the Persian scholars emphasized the divine right of kings and the importance of order and stability. These discussions were animated and at times contentious, but they were conducted with a mutual respect that I found deeply encouraging. One evening, as I walked through the gardens of the palace, reflecting on the day's discussions, I found myself contemplating the nature of our mission. The Persian scholars had shared with me their interpretations of justice and virtue, perspectives that were shaped by their unique historical and cultural context. It became clear to me that while our philosophies differed, the underlying pursuit of wisdom and understanding was a common thread. This journey, though fraught with difficulties and misunderstandings, underscored a crucial lesson: the importance of intercultural dialogue in expanding our comprehension of ethics and politics. By engaging with other cultures, we challenge our own assumptions and broaden our intellectual horizons. The ability to listen and learn from others is essential not only for personal growth, but also for fostering a more inclusive and nuanced understanding of the world. As my time in Persia drew to a close, I felt a profound sense of accomplishment. The connections we had forged and the insights we had gained were invaluable. I knew that the knowledge acquired here would enrich not only my own philosophical inquiries, but also the broader discourse of our time. It was a reminder that true wisdom is not confined to one culture or tradition, but is a mosaic created through the exchange of ideas and experiences. Reflecting on this experience, I encourage you to consider the lessons learned from this diplomatic mission. Embrace opportunities for dialogue with those from different backgrounds, and approach such encounters with an open mind. By seeking to understand diverse perspectives, you not only enhance your own understanding, but also contribute to a richer, more interconnected world. The quest for knowledge is an ever-expanding journey, and each encounter along the way offers a chance to deepen and broaden your own insights. Have a fantastic day.